Alrighty guys, we got a donkey Stomper 1000V-HG-2X8 repair review. This one, the guy messaged me or sent it to me, said it wouldn't do, but said it wouldn't do about 1,000 watts. I got it. Got to looking at it. Somebody put new capacitors in, new fans in. They put new capacitors on the feedbacks, but they did a good job doing that. They put some new fans in, which is cool. But the tuning, they messed the tuning all up. So I put new input tuning capacitor on it, redid the output tuning. Shit's good to go. You know, there's getting to be a lot of these out here, so I'm assuming there'll probably be some of them broke. It's just part of it. But I sure appreciate everybody's business. But we got this thing up and going. If you got a donkey Stomper broke, let me know. We'll try to make you a good deal on fixing it. We usually try to fix them cheaper than we do anything. Alright, straight through SWR. Worldwide 0. Input tune. Worldwide 0. 5 watt reverse. Worldwide, we almost got a little less than a watt reflex. 1,000 watt average power. Worldwide. Shh. So we're talking hello 900 average, close to 1,000 average. 2,500 watt PEP. Worldwide go down, worldwide go down, worldwide go down. We're doing 1,700 at 15.6 volts right there. Hello, worldwide go down, worldwide go down. Now he said that how do you say 14.9? 14.9 for him. Worldwide, that's 14.8 close to 14.8, 2,500 watt PEP. He said we'll do it 900 on 14.8. Worldwide go down, worldwide go down, worldwide, so do 1,600. Worldwide go down. She's up and ready to go. Good to go, man. Mark, if you see this, give me a call or something. There she is, donkey Stomper 1000V-HG-2X8. Alright folks, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10-018 Beavis will catch you later.